If you want to quickly move, resize, rotate, or even do a more advanced 3D style adjustment to an object in Krita, then the Transform tool is one of the most useful tools you can learn. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Krita Transform tool step by step so you can start editing your artwork faster and with more control. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Krita guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's activate the Transform tool. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard or by clicking the transformation icon in the toolbox. As soon as the tool is active, you'll see a bounding box appear around the layer or object you're working on. This box is what you'll use to make all your adjustments. Now let's go over the basic transformations one by one. To move the object, simply click inside the transform box and drag it to a new position. This is the fastest way to reposition your artwork without changing its size or shape. If you only want to shift something slightly, just drag it carefully until it's exactly where you want it. To scale the object, grab any corner handle or side handle and drag it outward to make the object larger or inward to make it smaller. This is especially useful when you need to quickly resize an element to fit your composition. If you want to keep the proportions consistent while resizing, hold shift and drag a corner handle. That will help you maintain the original ratio so the image doesn't get stretched or squashed. Next is rotation. To rotate your object, move your cursor just outside one of the corners of the bounding box. When the cursor changes into a curved rotation indicator, click and drag to turn the object. This makes it easy to angle your layer exactly how you want it. If you want more precise rotation control, hold shift while rotating. This will snap the rotation in 15-degree increments, which is really helpful when you need cleaner alignment or want to keep the angle consistent. Now here's a more advanced feature. If you hold control while rotating outside the bounding box, Krita lets you perform 3D rotation along the X or Y axis instead of just rotating on the flat 2D plane. This can create a more perspective-based adjustment, which is useful for adding depth or making your transformation feel more dynamic. Once you finish transforming your layer, just apply the change to confirm it. At that point, your object will be updated with the new position, size, rotation, or perspective adjustment you created. A quick tip: if the transform feels off, don't be afraid to undo and try again. The Transform tool is all about experimenting until your placement looks right. The more you use it, the faster and more natural it becomes. So to recap, Ctrl+T or the transform icon opens the tool, dragging inside moves the object, corner and side handles scale it. Shift preserves the ratio, dragging outside the box rotates it. Shift snaps rotation by 15 degrees and Control gives you 3D rotation control. That's the core of using the Krita Transform tool. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Krita tips, digital art tutorials, and beginner-friendly software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.